In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Wix platform effectively using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to wix.com and log into your account. This is your one-stop shop to access all the tools you need for building and managing your website. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, a central hub for all your website management needs. It's a good idea to get familiar with this space because you'll be spending quite a bit of time here. Once you're comfortable, the next step is to click on Edit Site. This button will direct you to the Wix editor where the creative magic happens. Here, you can make all sorts of changes and updates to your website, tailoring it to reflect your personal or professional brand accurately. Now, let's go deeper into the editing process. Click on Pages and Menu. This option enables you to manage and organize the different pages of your site. To add a new page, simply scroll to the bottom of the Pages panel and click plus Add Page. This feature is crucial as it allows you to expand your site's content, creating dedicated spaces for different types of information. Choosing the right layout for the new page is the key to ensuring that your website looks professional and meets your needs. You have options like a blank page for a completely custom approach, or pre-designed templates that offer a quick start with a professional look. After choosing your layout, don't forget to name your new page. This could be something like services, portfolio, or blog to help visitors navigate your site easily. Once your page is set, it's time to customize it. You can add sections, text, images, and videos, whatever you need to make your site engaging and functional. Utilize the strips, grids, or containers feature for a well-organized layout and customize the header and footer to maintain consistency across your pages. Before you finalize anything, adjust the page settings by clicking the three dots next to your page in the Pages menu, followed by Settings. Here you can configure SEO settings like the page title and URL, as well as visibility options to decide whether the page should be hidden or shown in the menu. Additionally, set permissions for who can view the page and tweak social sharing settings to help distribute your content effortlessly. Preview your changes by clicking on Preview. This feature allows you to see how your new page looks on both desktop and mobile devices, enabling you to make necessary adjustments for a seamless user experience. When you're satisfied with the design and functionality, click on Publish. This action makes your changes live on the web, ensuring your visitors can enjoy the new updates. Once published, simply click Done to wrap up the editing session. This concludes our walkthrough. By following these steps, you'll be well prepared to create a robust and visually appealing website on Wix.